Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Suraj. I hope you all are fine. So as you know that we are conducting these type of webinars weekly basis. So it will enhance the busy knowledge as well as it will be help you to understanding the business requirement of your industry. So today the topic is secrets to manage book publication house with busy. This topic is related to book publication industry, book publications manufacturer, and what are the pain points he have and how the solutions in busy will help them to manage their business more successfully. So today in this webinar I will be going to teach you and I will be going to demonstrate you that how to manage the book publication industry with busy software. We want to keep this webinar is more interactive, so I request to everyone, please use the chat box to ask the questions. Anybody knows that how many book publications are there in India? Please put the message in chat box. Okay, let me clarify you. So here, as per the kitab.org, this is one platform. He will be saying that there are about 19,000 book publishers in India. Similarly, Federation of Indian Publishers, this is Federation of Indian Book Publishers, he was saying that there are about 9,037 book publishers in India. This many publications, they are registered with as a Federation of Indian Publishers as well as kitab.org. He will be facing different types of problems in their industry. So we have a solutions with busy. So let us discuss one by one what all are the pain points they have and how to manage the business with our busy software. So normally in this book industries, mainly they are looking at how to manage the production. They was purchasing the goods, that is the raw material, and they'll starting the production process. So but end of the day, he might not be get the reports and everything. But in busy is not like that. So when you purchasing the raw material, after that there are different types of processes, purchase, and then you'll be starting the production planning, BOM setup, and end of the day you are getting the finished product. After the finished products, so you are getting the order from your clients, then you are delivering the goods to them. So entire billing cycle as well as the production cycles will able to manage with busy. Simultaneously, the royalty calculations of the authors, this is also one of the key point of this specific industry. The author means who has written a book. He was called as author. The author will be written a book and he given contract to the book publications saying that you will be publish these books, you'll be sell this book, and each and every copy that whatever you are selling, so I need the commission on that. That is royalty calculations. End of the month or end of the week, the author he will be getting some of the commissions after the sales. So you can allocate one author for one book or multiple author for one book. That is both option available. And next, the pain point the industry is having is how to manage the compliances, how to manage the ISBN details. Can anybody please tell that what is ISBN number? What is ISBN number? If you know means you can please put message in Q&A chat box. If you don't know, no issue. Let me clarify you. ISBN means International Standard of Book Number. Each and every book, after the printing of the book, the ISBN number will be stick down to the that particular book. It's a tracking purpose. ISBN means International Standard Book Number. So this is required for each and every book. It's a standard of the book industry that is able to manage with our software. And how to manage the distribution? This is also one of the pain point of this industry. The distribution and distribution management, as well as different pricing setup and pricing categories, it all are managed with this software. These are the important pain points that we have with this big industry. Going further, let us discuss that if the data is not managed properly, then can you guess what is happening? If your business data is not managed by you properly, what is going to happen? Can you please guess? If you doesn't have a data with you, so certainly you can't able to take a better decision making. This is one of the drawback here. If you doesn't have a accurate data with you, can't take a better decision making. And another thing here is business is also can't go to the next level. This is the drawback we have with doesn't have a data backup. Okay. Now in this webinar, I will teach you how to manage the book industries in very well manner along with the software. So don't worry, we have the most powerful solution for you. Let us discuss few of the challenges for this industry, and same way we will see the practical demo also. If you are production manager, if you are thinking that how to manage the book publication productions management and how to track the finishing goods and raw materials, we have a solutions here. Complete management of production you can able to manage with busy. And you purchasing the raw materials, after that doing the production along with production planning, and you can configure the BOM. BOM, it is nothing but raw material consumption formula that you can allocate. And after that you can do the production planning. Once the production planning is completed, if any deficiency quantity means, you can directly place the order the basis of deficiency quantity. Then the purchase will becomes, then you can start the production. Once the production will be completed, then you can get the finished product. After the finished products, you might be getting the order from your clients. Might be school, he might be some other vendor. So you are getting the order from them. You can fulfill their order after that. So each and every process can be managed with the help of Busy. So Busy will have entire solution here. You can manage BOM and production. You can manage production planning and report material requirements, and also you will be getting the report also. So let me show you how the thing will work by practically. So I'll be opening the software here. If you need, you can put the logo and background images, etc. by using our display settings. So it will be more attractive. Is why. Let me add one logo. I'll be selecting the logo. The logo will run like this. You can see it will be look like more beautiful. Okay, so that is why you can use this feature. Now I was created few of the item master in my data. So I can open the item masters. These are the item masters. You can see the names. Save fights, glue, ink, paper. These all are the raw materials. These all are the raw materials, and these all are the books. So what all are the raw materials is required to publish one book? Glue, ink, paper, threads. These are four are the raw materials. Right? Let me open one item and I can show you how I created. Item name is the lost history. This is book name it is. Group is comes under books. You can keep different groups like books, novels, poems, etc. You can manage different groups. Okay. Unit will be pieces. GST is sometime it might be exempted or sometime it might be taxable also. You can kept % or exempted whatever you want. We have all the types of tax category. HSN or SEC code if you have means you can enter it here. One important factor here is parameters. Parameters we are using to manage our editions, languages, etc. That purpose we are keeping parameter details. Yes, and maintain VCN. This is also required to capture our track our ISBN numbers. Here you can see the authors. So the author feature is available. The author feature is enabled here. After enabling the author's functionality in our feature and option account, in accounts tab you will be having a feature called royalty calculation. The operator will enable this option here, accounts tab, then you will be getting this author name mention. Okay. Once you enable that feature, you will be getting add the author name here. Either you can add one author for one book, or you can add maximum 10 number of author for one book. Now I was added only one author name here. The author name will be Ram Bajaj. Royalty percentage he was getting 12% of MRP or sale price. There you can give the royalty for on the basis of MRP or by the sale price. Discount also you can kept if you need. In this way I was added one item master, that is finished products. Similarly, let me show you the raw materials. Here it will be the raw material and it was created under the group of raw material group. Main unit of this item is bottle. GST HSN code that I was added. Sale price, purchase price and everything is coming over here. There is no need to add the author name here because it is a raw material. This is not a book. Okay, no need to enter the author name. So just I can hit and I can come back. This is how the items was created by the specific database, this database. Now let me show you of the ledgers here, proof of accounts. You can keep the ledger by name like customer, school, customer, bookstore, because you have different kind of customers base. Some customers are belongs to schools, some customer belongs to the stores, etc. You can create a group name separately so that you will be able to manage the reports very well. End of the day, you can get the group name wise outstanding, and then you can keep the discount for different discount. You can keep each and every groups. I will show you one group. So this specific group name is called as customer bookstores. This group that 3 customers I was created. Let me open one customer, and this customer address and everything you can fill like this: GST number, Aadhaar number, everything, number, etc. Even you can add the bank details also. You can see the bank details, and credit days you can kept here. Credit days for the sale. Okay, this is the basic masters I was created. Let me come back and I can show you purchase entry. Purchase entry you can do like this. To the purchase add. Let me selecting the voucher number 23. This type is multi-rate. The party name is example Busy Infotech Private Limited. If you want, you can press the F4 button and directly you can load the item groups like raw material. If you selected raw material group, then all the raw materials names will be listed out here. Shortcut is F4. Otherwise, you can select one by one. Let me remove the lines, pressing F9. Again, I will be selecting the raw materials by one. Glue is one bottle. Next, ink is 1000 bottle. Rate will comes automatically because I was given a rate in item master itself. That is why it is taking automatically. Next is paper, 1000 pack. After that, thread is 1000 pack. All the items, raw materials I was purchased 1000 numbers. I was it as 1000. This process is called as raw material purchase or raw material procurement. Once it's done, you can apply the GST. Any necessary charges, something like freight charges, forwarding charges, you can add it here. It is done, you can save the voucher. After entering the purchase invoice number and date, the voucher has been saved. Anytime you want to see the stock status report, you just come here, stock status, closing stock, balance report. Either you can see by one godown or you can see by all godowns. Let me select all godowns. Need only raw material stock status. You can see the raw material names, much raw material I have with my side. Go down. Next, we will start the production process. So before starting your production process, if you want to plan by yourself, just use this functionality called production reports, production planning. Production planning report, you can select the BOM name of material name. What is BOM? BOM means bill of material. It's a raw material consumption formula where you can create by your own formula the name of book name. BOM name that we was given was Magic of Science BOM. Item to be produced, this one. Each item, one quantity I want to produce time. This much raw material will be consumed in my godown. Likewise, you can kept one specific formula for your finished product. So I want to produce this item means I need 500 number of paper, one number of glue, one number of ink, one number of thread. Formula you can kept for each and every finished product. You can select that BOM name, insert the quantity how much you want to produce. So I need to produce 1000 number of. Then software can calculate the raw material requirement. How much raw material requirement you have. You can see the display. So paper I need 500, but I am having 1950 papers with me. So I need 1000, but glue I have 1900. I have 1900, but I need 1000. If any deficiency quantity means, just press F4 button here itself and you can post the purchase order. Post the purchase order on your deficiency quantity, then automatically purchase order will posted. Your supplier will deliver the raw material that you need so that you can start the production. So this is very required feature for most of the production industries that we have with here. Once the production planning is completed, let us post one production voucher. Production voucher comes here, productions, add. Here you can select the BOM name as Magic of Science BOM. So we have used 1000 number of copies. Select the item generated godown or the item consumed godown. You can see that this will be the item generated. The cost of this particular book will be 910 rupees. These all are the raw materials that we have used. So you can see that 5 lakh sheets will be used. Paper I was used 5 lakh to print this much of book. And internally you will be have advanced level of second inventory level window. Keep the cursor in unit place and you can press the enter button. You will be getting this specific window. You can mention the ISBN number. ISBN number standard number is 10 characters. You should mention the ISBN number like this. Mention the ISBN number here. Edition you can select which edition, first, second, third, fourth. Language English will be 2024. Price if you need you can mention. Purchase production cost will be 910 means sale price will be 1500. How much copy that you produced, for example 500. Next you can mention the second ISBN number. Also fourth edition, this will be the Hindi language, 2024 year, this will be 1500. This way, in this manner you have to specify the parameterized details. So it can help you to gather the information about editions of the book, language of the book, year of the book, as well as to tracking the ISBN numbers. Once it's done, you can just press the save button to save it. Now I was added one production voucher. And after you will be getting the report here. Parameterized report. In that parameterized closing stock, wants to see only one specific godown stock, you can get it by here. Or let me select all godowns. Then I'll be show you the stocks. Magic of Science, this book available in store, 1080 numbers. The first edition of the book, English language, have 80 pieces. The fourth edition of the book, English language, I have 500 numbers. Fourth edition Hindi language, I have 500 pieces. Need the value also, you can just mention here yes. then the value will also appear here. This report you can export directly to the Google Sheet, Microsoft Excel, PDF, etc. Even you have a printing provision also. This is called edition wise, language wise report. Apart from this, you can see the ISBN number wise also. That is available. Our report name is called BCN wise closing stock. You can rename that specific report name caption is possible. You need ISBN report like that only. You can rename the caption name. That is also possible. Let me show you the ISBN number wise closing stock report. Here you can see that ISBN number. Here it is coming 4343234567. Edition English language 2024. The quantity you have here with you 80 pieces. One is 500. This one is 500. This way the report will be generated. Now let me show you the royalty calculation report. You wants to check only one author royalty. You just get it only one author report. You can see the report like this. You can see date wise report also. Item name is the magic of science. How much quantity you sold, on the basis of that royalty percentage it was getting 10%. Sale will be 20. I can show you all author wise once again. Author wise, you can calculate the royalty by MRP rate or by the sale rate. I need sale value wise, so let's select sale value. I can put the date over here. Just see the report like this. The Mukesh Verma ji, he was one of the author of the book. He will be earned 9,000 rupees royalty. Mohan Awasthi ji, he was earned 4,500 rupees royalty after the sale of the book. So this is how the royalty calculation will appear. So one key feature that we have here, that is while you pressing the F4 button, so that automatically royalty voucher will be posted. It means it is the company, it is our company expense. So so that you have to post one journal voucher to reflect it in accounting side and as well as the final result side. So you just press the F4 button and you just post one journal voucher, and the royalty payable account you can create like this. Let me show you. Royalty payable account, it is not a predefined ledger. I was created this ledger. The group of expense direct. Just tag or map the ledger by here, and you just post the journal voucher. The journal voucher has been posted for both two authors. Journal voucher has been posted, that all entries will be affected into the accounting side, so that you will be able to get the information in your final results also. That is our expense. So that is why it is showing here. You can see here expenses direct 13,500. It has reflected by the profit and loss report. It's called as royalty calculation report. So in this manner, manage your entire production process as well as the selling process with business. Now I show you how to do the selling. Selling, it's not completed yet. Now I'll show you. So after the production, we have enough stock with us. So if I received any of the order from the client, so let me post one sale voucher first. The customer name is school, Saraswati Gyana Public School. Name is Magic of Science. I was sold 100 pieces for them. Press the enter button or the unit field. So you'll be getting this parameter stock adjustment window. You have to adjust the specific ISBN number. For example, if you sold this ISBN number, you can select that ISBN number. We have only 80 number of pieces for this ISBN number goods. So let me select another ISBN number, 20 quantity. So now almost the quantity will be 100. Once it's done, you can just save the entry. Here you can see that the discount percentage 10%, it is automatically coming, because mentioned that for this specific customer 10% discount to be calculated. I was mentioned internally with the configuration, so that is why it is calculating automatically. I can show you where I can mention. You can see the value 3,870 rupees, one piece of one number of book. So after that you can apply the GST. Any customer have old outstanding or any credit limit will be exceeded, so that point of time you might be getting this type of warning alarms. So it help you to call off the customer again for the payment. It's a very helpful feature for you. So received, you just press OK and you can go ahead, continue. You can save this voucher. After saving the voucher, you should have the printing provision, SMS, email sending provision, WhatsApp sending provision, etc. So let me show you that how the printout will come. See that the left side, the logo will be printing. Similarly, the heading is printing. These informations, bill to shift to address. You can see the book informations, edition, language, VN, everything will be printing here. If you need the author name, then author name also printed. into the invoice copy. The configurable invoice copy, any kind of changes if you need means we will do that. We have a provision, we have an open platform with Busy. How they want, we will configure it. The entire process with Busy. So through this way, you can manage your book publications, billing cycles, auction management. Another important challenge that you have with this calculation of royalty, how to calculate the royalty of authors. In Busy, we have royalty calculation will be calculated on the basis of sale or MRP. And you can tag the multiple authors' name to the books, and auto posting of royalty calculation is also available. I've shown you once again. I can recap it. And when I creating the author name, we have a author name creation menu. Adding any author name, his name, and add their address and everything. You can connect with one account. I speak Mukesh Verma author name. This account was connected with group name called author. Where you can map the author account with this master. What's done? So when you posting any of the books to the customers, then automatically royalty will calculation based on our configuration. That is the configuration you have in an item master. For example, this will be your item, the Magic of Science book. You can see that the total number of author is 2. It might be 2 authors, it might be 3 authors, 4 authors, but up to 10 authors you can kept for here. Sharmaji, he will be earning the commission, that is, he will be earning the royalty of 10%, and Rohan Avastiji, he will be getting the royalty of 5%. This is the very important configuration to manage the royalty. If you can't mention the royalty means it can't calculate. 12% like that, then only the royalty will be calculated. Next, this is the configuration part. When you're posting the sales voucher, then automatically the royalty report will be generated by this section, all authors, and here you can select the date range and the author. Come back, author, value, date range, you can see the amount. There's no need to select the author name while you entering the transactions. That is not necessary. Just you can post the transactions. On the basis of the transaction, automatically the report will be get generated. That's it. Inventory management of books. Next challenge is, if you are thinking that how to record the ISBN edition wise details in books, complete inventory management that we have with Busy, recording of item descriptions, languages, ISBN numbers, year of publications, and multiple inventory reports. I already shown you. Once again, I'll recap it. While I adding the purchase voucher, so that time I'll be getting this parameter window. This is adding one voucher added here. Show you the earlier entry. So while I adding the sale voucher, so that time I'll be getting this window. Here I'll be have a option to choose my edition of the book, language of the book, year of the book, quantity. So if you have enough stock with you, so automatically you can able to adjust that particular stock along with your sales invoice. You can use the barcode scanner to scan it. Once you scan the barcode label, then automatically entire information will be automatically pre-populated by the Busy cells. You can go for the barcode scanning, or you can do it for the manual scanning. So you can do it. But what I'm trying to say that, so you're selling the books to the customers, you have an option to select edition wise, language wise, year wise. It can help you a lot, because end of the day, the operator, he wants to know that how many book that you have, in which language that you have, in which version, in which year. So based on that, you have to place the order. Suppose if enough stock you doesn't have, means you just place the order with your vendor, or you can just start the production process. You can print the production. You can start the production, because if you doesn't have a stock, next the customer is giving the order to you, then it might be a problem. So that is the reason you can start the production process along with this kind of reports. Challenges will be tracking of pending orders and the challenge. Thinking that managing received orders from a customer and delivers, how to do that, how to manage this. So manually it can't possible, but if you are using a Busy software, definitely it is possible. In Busy we are having order processing management, delivery challenge management, even we are getting all kind of reports, pending orders by party wise, item wise, pending challenge, etc. Let me show you how the thing will be work. Suppose you are getting the order from any of the vendor, you just post one sales order entry. This order entry will become like this. For example, 5th of May that you are getting one order. Number is 123. This belongs to the state. The name is, see here. Book that you are getting the order, the Magic of Science. Order of number of numbers. that I need the 4th edition of Hindi language. It has been posted. Place the order. Time when you're delivering the goods, so that time you no need to enter the sales voucher again. You just press the F11 button. Let me deliver date. This party name is called Sethi Book Depot. Press F11 button and get the pending orders for that party. You can select single order, or you can select multiple order. Single or multiple consolidations is also possible. So now I am adjusting the sale order with my sale voucher. If you want to adjust this sales order with your delivery challan, sometime the party he can't pay the advance amount before. So what I can do, I can give the delivery challan to them. After the delivery challan, once they make the payment, then only I can issue the invoice. In case you can post the delivery challan also. So let me show you how to adjust the sale with my delivery challan. So that you can select the type as sales challan, select the sale type, select party. Name is Magic of Science. Let me press F11, and I can select the pending order. Now the pending order will be shown here. To adjust the partial, you want to mention the partial delivery. Just mention here 50. You can't have the enough stock with your godown. You have only 50 number of books, so giving only partial delivery. So this way you can adjust the sales order with your sales challan. Once the sales challan has been done, next he will be making the payment, right? So you just receive the amount by receipt amount. If it is advance, you can select advance. Otherwise, you can take it as not applicable. Party name Sethi Book Depot. Given 20,000 rupees, you just enter the value how much you received. Reference number and due date also you can mention here. How you received through check. Enter the check number by here. Select the bank ledger. Received through bank, you can create one bank ledger of your company. Suppose if you are using SBI bank, you can create one SBI bank like this and save the voucher. Received voucher has been received. Issue the invoice by here. Sales voucher here. That will be 6th of May. Against challan you need to select. Party name is Sethi Book Depot. Press the F11 option. One is very important key to adjust the pending orders along with your invoice, or pending challan with your invoice. You can see that automatically that item name will appear, that you can save the invoice and you can deliver the stock. And even we can have an option to adjust the advance amount that I have received earlier. So 1,000 whatever the amount I was received, that I can adjust along with this invoice. This is how the thing will work. Complete cycle will be able to manage with our busy, from quotation to order to delivery challan to invoice. This is a complete billing cycle we can able to manage. After that, one more thing I want to show you, that report, order and challan processing report. You can get the sale order, purchase order report by item wise, by party wise, pending order, how much is the sale order, how much is the pending purchase order. Everything you can be able to get in this report. You can see that Sethi Book Depot having pending quantity of 50 numbers, because I was delivered only the 50 numbers. 50 was pending. Next challenges industry was recover the payment. To recovery of outstanding payments against the credit sale. Certainly, this is one of the key requirement of this industry. We have it busy. We will be able to manage bill by bill references along with credit limits to the parties, and outstanding analysis reports also available. So even you can send the payment reminders to follow up with your client. So for the due bill balance amount, you can send the reminders to the parties. So let me show you how it is work. So bill by bill adjustment I already shown you just now. So through the bill by bill management, you can able to manage your party outstanding limits, due bills, etc. The reporting will come like this. If you want to see the amount receivable balance of all accounts or group of accounts, you can filter it out. So the report will be like this. You can see the report. Saraswati Gyan Public School, the outstanding balance will be 5,34,240, and Sethi Book Depot was 64,000. Simultaneously, you can see the bill wise receivable. So bill wise receivable, the detailed report in which bill how much you have received, how much is pending value, if any pending, if the bill is due, bill date was due, then ultimately the software can identify that this bill was due, and it will be shown in red color. So easily you can able to understand that why it is red color, because this bill was due. The bill is due, you can easily send the payment reminder by using our functionality called reminder. Either you can send the payment reminder through SMS or by WhatsApp or by email. So by Busy BNS. So all type of facilities are available. You can see that email, SMS, Busy BNS. Even you can send the email also. So these all are the payment follow-up process. So easily you can manage along with the software. The next challenges that you might be getting that of sale and payment of e-commerce. If you're thinking that how to manage the sales through e-commerce platforms or portals, we have a solution here. So you know that we have a Busy Recom plugin. Busy Recom means it's a online selling reconciliation plugin. Suppose if you are dealing the books with your online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopify, directly you can download your sales return, payment settlement data with Busy. In a single click, the data can be get downloaded to the software. After the downloading, you can able to reconcile the data, or you can able to do your accounting, GST work, etc. to the software. So it will be very useful plugin for most of the e-commerce sellers. Why? Because within a single click, entire data can be get downloaded into the software. No need to do a manual import mechanism. So everything is automation here. So you can download the order, returns, payment settlements, return verifications also you can do it. So then insightful MIS reports you will be get. So insightful MIS reports also you are getting. This is the Recom plugin you can able to integrate with the software. Apart from these challenges, we are having some more features also, like multi-godown inventory. We have a multi-godown inventory feature. You just see the stock report by here, stock status, closing stock. Show you this report will become. If you want to check all the godown report, will be have a columnar report configuration. Show you. Want to get both godown report in single screen? You just configure this columnar report. The report will come like this. Main printing block that you have 900 unit, 900 stock this glue, and the ink will be having 900, paper will be 1450. Likewise, you can see the fourth column store. The store is having 930 number of the magic of science book. Every godown stock will be get into the single screen itself. That is called as columnar report. And for the columnar report, or you can go for the normal individual godown wise report. Both reports are available with software. Negative stock restrictions is also possible. You can keep the warning alarms for the negative stock billing, so it can warn you. Otherwise, you can block the negative stock billing, so that it will be more helpful. Because end of the day, if you are looking into any report, stock report, the stock will be negative, means you can't able to capture or analyze it. So the way most of the industry's requirement is to block the negative stock. That is possible with Busy. Multiple pricing mode for the billing. So you configure the multiple price structure for the party, or you can give the multiple discount to the party. So you can keep the different groups to the customers, like author, customers, bookstores, etc. So here I'll be show you the group is called bookstore. The bookstore, he will be getting the discount of 15%. Is the another group I can show. Customer category is customer school. The school customer, he will be getting the discount of 10%. Here I was showing you that how to create a discount, how to give a discount configuration to the customers, how to configure the discount to the customer group. So likewise, you can configure the sale price for individual party group or individual customers. It's also possible. User control and tracking. Definitely, this is one of the key requirement of the industry, because you have the restrictions to the users. Each report they want to access, in which options they want to use it. So likewise, you can create users here. Create a user, and have a user creation option. Give the appropriate rights to them. That much options, that much functionalities only he may be use with their credential. No other options will work for that. So this will be called as the user control and user security features. We have a user activity control report here, checklist. You can get the user activity report. Now this was not enabled. If you are enabled this user activity control report, then you will be able to capture that in which user what they did. For example, if any user he was deleted any of the entries, so it might be captured. That log file will be created. Enable this feature. Even you have a audit trail feature also. Code and QR code generation, it is also comes along with the software. You just design your own barcode by here on your requirement. The barcode designing is very simple. So there are different types of barcode sizes are available nowadays in market. So based on your purchase, you can put the barcode height and width, barcode label height and width. Then you should be able to configure the design, your own design. If you want to add the, you can add it. You want the image of the item, or you want to add the QR code of the item, the barcode label itself, you just have the option to add it. You just see the report, the barcode. If I want to add the QR code, let me add it. Or if I want to add the image, that also I can add it. This will be configurable barcode design. Even you have a ready-made barcode scanning functionality, as well as you can able to generate new barcode design also, and your own barcode and stick onto the product. So both the options is available along with the software. And physical stock reconciliation is also one of the important factor. End of the day, if the stock is getting vary, you should able to match the stock quantity along with your physical stock entry mechanism. Complete GST management is available. So you wants to file your GST return directly to the software, you have the option here, GST returns and GST e-return. Have a direct uploading, JSON method, direct uploading option, CSV export as per government template option, as well as plain Excel. Apart from this, we have a GSTR2 e-return, 3B e-return, ITC4, GSTR6, etc. GST management, it is available. And share the document via email, SMS, WhatsApp. So no worry, if you want to share any kind of documents along with your customers or anybody or any of the vendors, you have an option for that. So different types of media you can able to share, email, SMS, WhatsApp. Otherwise, you can able to share along with the Busy BNS application also. All are the sharing medias are available. Similarly, the sale and purchase analysis with graph, that is really required. End of the day, if you want to know that how much sales that I have been did in this month, as item wise, or else party wise, or item group wise, party group wise, item group wise, all kind of reports are available. So let me show you some of the glimpse about that. So let me show you that quarterly analysis typically. So this will be the graphical report. You can see that item wise, you can check the graph. Item wise also you can look into this report. Next thing here is multiple profitability report is also comes with the software. You can see the profitability report by here, checklist, MIS report, profitability report, bill wise, party wise, MC wise, item wise, parameter wise, all the way you can get into the report. Let me show you the basic things about the report. You can see that now in this sales I was received 71,800 rupees profit. The margin of the profit is 394.51%. Either you can get the percentage value or else you can get the amount, both you can get it. So this is the bill wise profit. Okay. Automatic backup provision is also comes along with the software. We will configure the busy agent along with the software, so that busy agent can perform the backup automatically into your Google Drive. So the data backup is very important thing for us, because end of the day, anything it might be happen, like virus attack, ransom attack, or any hard disk corruption, means no worry about your data. So that the data will be safe and securely saved into your own Google Drive, not for us. Okay. From this, the mobile application is very required for nowadays, because to capture the sale orders, tracking the pending orders, even you can able to post the sales invoices directly to the software, to the mobile app, and even you can punch the receipt entry also. If sometime you visited any customer premise, he might be giving the money to you. So you just enter the collected amount directly to the mobile phone in this busy mobile application. So it can sync the data into the busy application. Even you can get different kind of stock reports. You can get the report group level also, you can get it, and access sale data directly to the mobile phone. Receivable and payable reports also possible. You can able to generate receivable payable report directly in mobile application. Sometime if you are outside, some customer he is calling and he was saying that, sir, I need the ledger statement urgently. So immediately you can share the ledger statement through the mobile phone. 24/7 live accessibility is possible with this mobile phone. So you can access anywhere, and the data will be automatically get synced from mobile phone to the desktop. If you're using the busy software, it's a good thing for us, because using a busy, and if you're a busy customer, if you're planning to busy software, definitely it will simplify your business operations and it can save your valuable time. In this webinar, I shown you that what are the important requirement is having this industry, and what is the pain point you having, and how the busy can serve you the solution. So definitely it can save the valuable time and analyze your business with accurate data. So previously, the beginning of the webinar, I already said that if you doesn't have a data, you can't able to go to the next level of the business, because the data is very precious. That is very important. If you have a data means, then only you can take a better decisions and make a better decision, and with the confidence you can run your business. So this is all about my side. So I want, if you are thinking that whom they are using the busy software for this industry, so we share this information. See, Sultan Chand and Sons, one of the top book publication industry, was using our busy software very long period. And Children Books Trust was also using our software, busy software, successfully for a long period of duration. The two important customers that I want to share with you. Need any more kind of clarifications or any kind of doubts related to this implementation or any kind of feature, you just feel free to call to our helpline number displaying here, 8282828282. So our mail ID is support@busy.in. We are available with 24/7 help desk number. So just anytime you can call with us and you can talk with us. Okay. So thank you so much for once again to joining this webinar. See you all.